Hello, how's it going? Welcome once again to Techno Pro Master. In this video, I will respond and we will talk about one topic that so many people are talking about. So it is about SIM card in new iPhone 14. As you can see, this is iPhone 14 Pro Max, and as you can see, this new iPhone uh, have slot for SIM card. So you have when I turn on the iPhone now, like later, I notice that yeah have SIM card, or you can setting up the eSIM. So that means that you can use one or another. You can use SIM card or you can use eSIM and have electronic or virtual number. This is actually really nice because it's really nice to have both options if you like this one or if you don't like this one. So as you can see, this new iPhone 14 have the possibility of both. So me, my personal opinion, I will say that I will still using SIM card because like I'm old school and I want to continue using this one. But if you buy an iPhone 14 new and you want to use by eSIM, you can use also. So how will be better for you? For me, it's no problem. I can have both. But for now, I will check out how this will goes, and I will still using this SIM card that normally you can buy everywhere, and this is this. So you can also check in the website in your favorite supply of telecommunication, for example, and you can ask them if they use SIM card or eSIM. So many people like Movistar and another kind of these supplies don't have these options. I saw that everybody will soon have, but you can check it out if they have this possibility to have a SIM, and you can or put or no use SIM slot for SIM card or a SIM. So thank you really much, guys and girls who are looking the videos. Thank you. I really appreciate the support that you are giving to me. I know that my English is not really good, but yeah, we will continue and we will stay tuned for every information about iPhone 14, iPhone 11, iPhone 13, or iPhones that are coming out, and we will stay tuned. If you like this video, I hope you subscribe, like, and share with your people that they will be informed with me. Thank you and ciao. Adios.